What's up everybody, welcome back to another No Business 100 course preview video. So today I'm back here at Sawmill Trailhead, which is where the first No Business training run, we came out to here and then ran this way, which is the direction I'm going to run today. But this is the Sawmill Trailhead. This is where the aid station will be set up right about in this area here. And then from here we run, and that's what we're going to do today, about a little over 13 miles to the finish. So it's about 16 to 1800 feet of elevation gain according to the GPX route, but we'll see what it actually turns out to be on the run. So it's kind of warm today. It's afternoon. Didn't get to go in the morning because of work, obviously. So gonna get geared up and let's go do this. From the Sawmill Trailhead, we just run down this gravel road and we got 5.56 miles and 650 feet of elevation gain until we get to the aid station at Pickett State Park. And when you come to this intersection here, we go towards the Middle Creek Trailhead. We're gonna take the 1.8 mile variety, I do believe. Man, I was really hoping that since I'm starting in the afternoon that I wouldn't have to deal with all these stinking spider webs. Crazy how many I've already gone through and I've not even gotten a quarter mile. Cool area. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, we go that way. Another really cool area here. Big rock that goes down in here. This area just has such beautiful sandstone, like caves, rock houses, whatever you want to call them. Really neat. Another even bigger one. Yet another one of these really cool rock houses. Ooh. Be careful on the bridge. It's a little rotten. Okay, so here we are at the Middle Creek Trailhead. We're now 5K from the Sawmill Trailhead, so 3.16 miles is what I show. About 450 feet of gain on that little 3 mile section. But this is a spot where crew is allowed to come and spectate, but not actually crew you, so you cannot receive aid from them. But they can come cheer you on because, I mean, from here, it's like literally, you know, 10 miles to the finish, so you might need to push. This would be a good spot for them to come. But from here, we've got about a little over 2 miles to the Picket aid station. We're just gonna run down this gravel road for a ways now, so let's hit it. Ah, darn, I just missed it. There was a, I don't know, maybe a bobcat on the road up ahead. Could have been a baby deer, but I don't know. Hopefully he's gone. We take a left here. All right, we're almost 5 miles in. We got this little creek here. Ah, nice and cold. Feels good. Ah, it feels really good. But I don't know if I can get past this without getting my feet wet. Well, I made it through without getting the feet wet, so. Now a little climb up, and then we'll cross the road and go down into Pickett State Park. All right, we crossed the highway and enter Pickett State Park. Okay, so we made it to the Pickett State Park. This is where the aid station is. Last year it was set up right here, and so we ran down this road here and get aid here, and then we go up that trail right there towards Natural Bridge, Hazard Cave, and run that way, and then eventually we come back out down there and we go across the suspension bridge, and you can get aid at this aid station twice if you like. I know before I saw people getting aid actually at the bridge from like their crew, because I mean it's literally probably within 100 feet of the aid station, really close. So okay, just left the aid station behind me there, that area, and now we've got 7.55 miles with about 1,000 feet of elevation gain according to the GPX. So it's 90 miles into a 100 miler. It's gonna suck. But there's some really pretty sights too, so let's get doing it. So when we come to this sign here, I believe we go over bridge. I just took the under bridge way because that's the way it looked like the watch was telling me to go. But then I got an off-course alert and it looked like I was going off course. So we shall see if this is it. Oh, hold on, here's another turn. I was just gonna say my GPX file has corrected itself. And yeah, Hazard Cave up the hill. That's the way we go. So I guess there was just too much rocks around me or tree cover or something where it was saying I was going like backwards on my route, which is weird. But this is probably one of those places where the dual frequency of the Coros Vertex 2 would come in very handy. Feels so nice and cool in here. All this shade. I love it. little soggy down here. Just shortly after you turn on Ridge Trail, there's a little tree across right there. You can duck under it, but it might be hard, you know, 93 miles in. All right, well, we pop out here and crap. There's a little bridge, but as you can see, it doesn't get all the way to the end. Although, here we go. Yeah. Swampy. Here we pop out in the picnic area and just take this lower road down around to the bridge. Okay, so we're back here at the Pickett picnic area where the last aid station was. Like I said, you can, according to the runner's manual, you can get aid here twice. It's literally just right up there. I mean, it's very, very short. And I'm pretty sure I did see runners getting aid from their crew here last year. So check with the RD on that, but it's probably okay. So so far we're about 10 miles in on this segment, 1,200 feet of elevation gain so far, about another 3.2 miles to the finish, and about another 500 feet of elevation gain. So just gotta cross this bridge, do a little over 3 miles, and it'll be the end of the No Business 100. There's nobody out swimming. It's a beautiful day. Little detour. Here we just run alongside the road a bit, not far, up to the Hidden Passage Trailhead. Oh, back at the group camp. We just follow this road around. And there we go. That's the end. That's it. That's the No Business 100. So this ended up being 13.27 miles from Sawmill Trailhead, 1,631 feet of elevation gain to here. So you know, it wasn't bad, but on you know, 90-mile legs, there's gonna be some tough climbs out there for sure. So just be ready for the end. There's a couple of climbs here and there. They're really not bad, but in a 100-mile race, you'll be cursing them. So Anyway, beautiful day today, but I got to get moving. So this run is done here, but now I've got to run all the way back to my car. I'm going to take a little bit different route than what I came here, so it's probably going to be about another, I don't know, 7 miles still instead of 13. So it's getting late in the day. I got to get moving. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoy these no business course previews. I do have one more to do, the big 30-mile segment. But being totally honest, I'm not 100% sure I'm going to do it. I want to, but my back has been still really tight. Today, at each of the aid station stops, I had to stop and kind of stretch it out a little bit because it's still tight. So I don't want to overdo it, this close to the race. So we'll see. Hopefully this week I can, rehab it some more and it'll get better and I can get that preview out for you guys. But I got to think about the race and remember the big goal. So anyway, thank you guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. That's always appreciated. Really helps the video out a lot. Man, those crows are loud. Anyway, if you haven't seen the other course preview videos, go ahead and take a look at one of those. It's on your screen, and then the playlist of no business videos is there as well. So thank you. Hope to see you guys race day, and I'll see you on the next one.